everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to a serene countryside retreat. Here, nestled amidst a lush forest, lies a remarkable home that perfectly blends architecture and nature. Our story begins with the selection of a picturesque plot, chosen for its natural beauty and the opportunity it presented to blend seamlessly with the surrounding forest. The vision was clear, a house that respects and enhances the existing landscape. The owners, with a deep appreciation for the outdoors, sought a space where they could connect with the natural world and live a peaceful life. They found their perfect location in a secluded condominium, surrounded by lush greenery. Designed with the environment in mind, the house integrates minimal masonry and abundant glass, ensuring that nature and light are ever present. Situated right in front of a tranquil internal lake within the condominium, the design focuses on rapid construction, ideal for weekend getaways. The house is strategically positioned to maximize views of the forest and minimize its impact on the environment. The materials were carefully chosen to complement the natural surroundings. Cumaru wood and stone bricks were selected to enhance the home's connection with its environment, blending harmoniously with the constant shade provided by the surrounding trees. Featuring 2 suites, including a main suite with its own private garden, the house ensures comfort and privacy. The design cleverly integrates the living room and kitchen with an external patio, creating an additional living space that quickly became a family favorite. An important aspect of the project was the pool area, strategically positioned to capture sunlight amidst the surrounding shade. Completed in the second stage of the project, this space serves as a gathering spot for family and children, enhancing the home's role as a family retreat. Inside, the home is a showcase of personal design finds and unique collections. From pieces signed by renowned designer Sérgio Rodrigues to a cherished Murano collection, each element adds a personal touch and enhances the home's character. This is more than just a house. It's a realization of a dream, a celebration of nature, and a testament to thoughtful design. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a home where nature and architecture coexist in perfect harmony. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home tours and design stories.